9 Best Lower Chest Exercises Routine. Standing cable crossover. The bringing of the arms together during the crossover is an exercise that allows you to isolate and develop the middle, bottom, and inner parts of the chest. Next is chest dips. The dumbbell press down on the decline bench works out the lower part of the chest and the inner edge of the pectoral muscles. This exercise forms and increases the protrusion of the lower chest. Decline bench dumbbell fly. Spreading the arms with dumbbells to the side is one of the main isolation exercises for the pectoral muscles. This exercise gives the chest a steep, prominent shape. Next is dumbbell pullover. The dumbbell pullover is an exercise that works out the back muscles. The main muscles involved are the rotator cuff and the latissimus dorsi. Decline dumbbell bench press. The dumbbell press down on the decline bench works out the lower part of the chest and the inner edge of the pectoral muscles. This exercise forms and increases the protrusion of the lower chest. Reverse dips. Dips help strengthen the muscles in your lower chest, shoulders, triceps, upper back, and lower back. When done correctly, weighted dips can add muscle mass to your upper body. Decline barbell bench press. This is a good exercise for developing the lower part of the pectoral muscles, allowing you to work with good amplitude and large weights. Next one is chest bench press. The bench press is a great way to work out the chest muscles. The main advantage of this exercise is its safety and the increased emphasis on the working muscles. The bulk of the load is on the minor and major pectoralis muscles.